noise exposure to permissible levels. There are various types of hearing protection devices, and each has a noise reduction rating. The noise reduction rating is a measure in decibels of how much the device reduces the level of outside noise before it reaches the inner ear. Hearing protection devices with higher noise reduction ratings offer more protection than those with lower ratings. If you're required to wear hearing protection, it will be provided to you by the company, and you will be instructed how to use it properly. One of the most common types of hearing protection is the earplug. One advantage of earplug.
I apologize for the technical difficulties. You all bear with me here. I'm going to do one more adjustment.
Is that they are available in different sizes and can be disposable or reusable. Some earplugs are designed to be inserted into the ear canal, while others only cover the entrance to the ear canal. This type of earplug is called a canal cap. Most disposable earplugs are made of polyurethane or other expandable foam, which is easily compressed for insertion into the ear. The most important thing to know about earplugs is that they must be installed properly to achieve their full noise reduction rate. Improperly installed earplugs offer very little protection. To properly install this type of disposable earplug, first make sure your hands are clean. One disadvantage of earplugs is that handling with unclean hands can allow dirt, germs, and other foreign matter to enter our ear canal. Once your hands are clean, compress the earplug by rolling it in your fingers. With your other hand, pull up on the top of the ear. This helps to open the entrance to the ear canal so the plug can be inserted. Insert the plug into the ear canal and hold it in place with the tip of your finger while the earplug expands. The earplug will expand to conform to the shape of your ear canal. Reusable earplugs do not require compression. This type of earplug is usually made of silicone, rubber, or plastic. They must also be inserted properly into the ear canal to achieve maximum noise reduction. Reusable earplugs should be cleaned with soap and warm water on a regular basis and stored in a clean, dry container when not in use. Earplugs come in many shapes and sizes, so be sure you find one that fits properly and comfortably. Ask for help if you're unsure about the fit, comfort, or proper installation of your earplugs. Earmuffs are also a popular choice when it comes to hearing protection. Earmuffs are designed to cover the entire ear and consist of a pair of cups connected by a headband. These cups are usually filled with soft foam to provide a comfortable, secure fit and low-pressure seal. Some advantages of earmuffs are that one size fits all. They're easy to put on and take off, and it's easy to visually verify they're being worn by employees. Also, with proper cleaning, earmuffs may be shared with other employees. Some disadvantages to earmuffs are, some employees may find the tight fit uncomfortable. They may cause sweating in hot environments, and they may interfere with other protective equipment. In extremely loud environments, it may be necessary to wear both earplugs and earmuffs to achieve the noise reduction required to reduce exposure to permissible levels. Our hearing conservation program includes audiometric testing. Audiometric testing is a program of hearing tests and evaluations by hearing professionals. These tests provide an initial hearing baseline for each employee, so subsequent testing can reveal any indications of hearing loss. Employees enrolled in the hearing conservation program will have their hearing tested once a year. An employee's initial test, known as a baseline audiogram, will establish a baseline to which future tests can be compared. If subsequent tests show hearing loss of at least 10 decibels as compared to the baseline audiogram, the employee has suffered some hearing loss. Hearing loss of 10 decibels is referred to as a standard threshold shift. When an employee's hearing test indicates that hearing loss has occurred, the employee's exposure to noise will be reevaluated. This may include retraining the employee to ensure hearing protection is being used properly. or introducing administrative controls to reduce the amount of time the employee is exposed to high noise levels. All workers should be on the lookout for any symptoms of hearing loss, so preventive measures can be taken. People with hearing loss can often hear, but not understand what others are saying, especially in the presence of background noise or other conversations.
I didn't hear anything you said.
Other symptoms include increasing the volume of your television or radio to levels uncomfortable for others, and having trouble hearing voices in the higher frequency ranges.
Hey, Jeff.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
If you suspect you're experiencing hearing loss, you must be extra vigilant to protect what hearing you have left. In addition to protecting our hearing at work, it's equally important to protect our hearing off the job. After all, harmful noise is damaging no matter where it occurs. Hearing loss can be gradual, happening over a long period of time. We often don't recognize it's happening until substantial hearing loss has occurred. Hearing loss can be prevented by participating in our hearing conservation program, properly wearing hearing protection when required, and taking steps to reduce off-job noise exposure. In this program, we've provided an overview of our hearing conservation program and pointed out how to prevent the damaging effects caused by harmful noise. After all, preventing injuries is the point of our safety and health program, which is why you must make it a point to be safe.
All right. That concludes the video there. I'm gonna turn it back to Dan for just a minute here. And then, I've got a couple more things I need to cover with you.